lucky boys, I can go home now.
That's bollocks, isn't it?
No, you fucking.
I thought we said I thought we said we were going to stop at 3.
You're just sitting there fucking trying to just hang it out. You've got work.
Yeah, but didn't we say we stop at 3?
No. You got work it. You got work it.
Have you got ears under that hat?
He ain't deep hooked it, has he? Obviously asleep.
I just need to get on it.
Obviously asleep.
No, he's twitching it. Twitching, mate.
On the top.
I thought I was going to a pint in.
Where's it? Oh, it's on the. Oh, you've got it. Airy.
Careful. Careful them two.
Put your feet in. Put it under the. Get your finger in it.
I can't
Kill it.
Put your fingers in its mouth and hold its jaws open. That's it. That's where the rakers are. Oh, watch them.
Someone get this because I can't do it with my left hand.
Open it up. Open his mouth.
Oh, them teeth, son.
Oh, I've got a glove.
Do you want a glove?
No, just put it underneath there. That's it.
That's it.
His mouth should come out. Have you lifted him up? His mouth should open up. I don't know what you're scared of. Go on, get it, because predator fishing.
I've got sore fingers. Oh, you like roach? I don't know what I'm fucking here for.
For the money.
Oh.
He's got your neck caught up in it.
That was son, you're a fucking pike gun.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Well, he took that right then, didn't he?
He's fucking smashed it, innit? You wouldn't think it was a Zander.
I didn't.
Right, he's gone. Cheers, son.
Nice
You
one,
better
boy.
weigh it though,
No, it's
in
alright.
case someone else gets one.
We're going home now.
Fucking ain't.
He's eating all minute. Fuck.
I'll give it £1.
It's about £4 or £5.
No standing up with a fish, son. You get kicked out of the water.
I'm off. Got to put it back. Thank you.
Send that into the bailiff. Disqualified. Hold on, make sure. I can't believe that. He went, oh, I'll just give you a little twitch. He went, set cast. Fucking, I walked up there. Suggest you get twitchy. I've been twitching in my
We
seat.
all packed up at 3 o'clock. You said